Rising global temperatures, extreme weather, and environmental disruptions are a global reality. The world has focused on reducing fossil fuel dependence as a key to mitigating climate change. However, there is a bigger culprit that has largely gone unnoticed. Alberta consumes 73 million barrels of oil annually for transportation. The emission factor for crude oil is approximately 431.76 kilograms of CO2 per barrel. This equates to 31.5 million tons of carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere annually. Now let's compare these emissions to landfills. Based on ISO 14064 carbon reporting protocols, the emissions factor for organics in landfill is 9.47. This means 1 metric ton of organics in landfill will produce 9.47 metric tons of carbon dioxide equivalent. This occurs through the process of anaerobic decomposition. In 2018, Albertans dumped 4.1 million tons of organic waste into landfills. Using the most up-to-date emissions factor of 9.47, that is the equivalent of 38.67 million tons of CO2 equivalent. If we stop dumping organics in landfill, that is the equivalent of removing 122% of all the vehicles off the road in Alberta. EcoGrowth Environmental has developed an award-winning solution to organic waste for NATO military camps. We are now looking to create a pilot within Alberta to demonstrate to the civilian market how landfill avoidance is achievable. This pilot will be designed to showcase to the world how Alberta can be a global leader in this low-carbon solution. The pilot will include collection of organic wastes from community residents and businesses. The waste will be returned to our processing facility where it will be converted to a valuable resource. The first step in the process is the mechanical dewatering of the organic waste. This brings the organic waste to a consistent size and moisture content. In the second part of the process, the dewatered food waste is fully dehydrated using EcoGrowth heat edge technology. This process brings the solids content to over 90%, creating a high calorific biomass feedstock. In the final step of the process, the dried biomass is formed into wood-like pellets. The conversion of organic waste to high-nutrient fertilizer and carbon-neutral biomass energy is now complete. As part of the pilot, nutrient-rich water will be used in an indoor modular farm. This will demonstrate how food security can be overcome through the organic waste conversion process. EcoGrowth is currently working with a seniors group who have expressed interest in operating the indoor farm. This will support community involvement while providing seniors with low-cost nutritious foods. As part of the pilot, EcoGrowth will deliver high calorific biomass pellets back to the community. Using a specially designed delivery truck, pellets will be delivered to participating community buildings. The pellets will be used for thermal heating within the community. Low-cost, carbon-neutral heating completes the organic waste cycle. The EcoGrowth solution is fully scalable to handle the needs of a community of a few hundred people, all the way to Alberta's largest cities. EcoGrowth is working towards being an accredited entity under the United Nations Green Fund. This will open the door to global adoption of this technology and will showcase Alberta as the technology leader.